everybody, it's Julie the Whippy Chick. How are you today? I'm great. It is such a beautiful day here. It's a little hot, but it's beautiful. I love summer. So I'm excited today because I have a couple of finished objects to share with you. Now, when the weather is hot like this, it is so hard to be motivated to crochet like blankets or sweaters or scarves or hats, unless they're summer hats, mittens, you know, anything that's like cold weather related. It's really hard to get motivated to crochet those things. So this summer I've decided to try to find different things to crochet that are a little easier with the heat. So I've been doing some amigurumi, and I have a finished amigurumi friend, and it is my little voodoo doll. It's actually my son's little voodoo doll that he requested. So meet my little voodoo doll friend. He's really cute. He's got this little heart here, and he was pretty easy to make. I will say I used the Lily's sugar and cream. I always want to call it cookies and cream, but I know that's ice cream. But Lily's sugar and cream I used for the yarn, and I didn't like using that yarn for this project. It was just really, stiff and hard to use. So I would suggest, if you're going to make this little guy, to use a different yarn type. Definitely use cotton, but you don't have to use cotton. But if you wanted to use cotton, that's fine. But I would not recommend the sugar and cream for this guy. At any rate, he's really cute. I'm happy with the way he came out. My son likes him a lot, and he's got a nice big butt, so it's easy for him to sit up straight. And you can poke as many pins in him or needles as you wish. He will not be bothered. That is his job. He is a pin cushion, basically. So anyway, that's that finished object. I think he's cute. I like him. And of course, I was saying this before, but you could use this exact same pattern and not do all of the embellishments that I've done here, and then maybe just put on a cute little, you know, a cute little face and some hair, and it would just be a little doll. You know, it wouldn't have to be a voodoo doll per se. It doesn't have to be spooky. It can be fun. And but either way, pretty simple, quick project. And I didn't have a lap full of blanket, so I didn't sweat to death while making this little guy. I'm just gonna set him over there. Next finished objects, I have two. They're pretty darn similar, and they are loofahs. Now this one I got from a YouTube channel, and I can never remember the name of it, so I'm not even gonna try. But I will add the name of the YouTube video and channel where I got this pattern. It's good. There's nothing wrong with it, but it's a little loose. Like, you can see the center of it, and it's just very loosey-goosey. I wanted to make one that was nice and tight, like what you would get in the store. So I made another one, and I kind of tweaked it a little bit and made it my own. So at any rate, I used for this one, whoops, big twist cotton, and the color is aquamarine speckle. So here's the label, and I used an entire ball of this big twist cotton. It is 96 yards to make this. I used the recommended hook size, which is a 5.5 millimeter. So that's what I got. The breeze feels so nice. I love it. Yeah, so at any rate, I noticed in watching and editing my videos lately that I say at any rate all the time. I need to stop saying it so much. I'm gonna start keeping count how many times I say it. Yeah, it's too loose. I don't like that. So I will show you the one that I came up with on my own. It's very similar to this one, but this one, the beginning when you started it was a chain of, I want to say 10 or 12. You did a chain. So I made another one, and I didn't do a chain. I used a magic ring. So I was able to cinch it up nice and tight, and it's not nearly as loosey-goosey. I'll hold them together so you can kind of, whoops, hard to hold on to these guys. You can kind of see like this one's really loose and this one's just not nearly as loose. So this one, I loved how it came out with the colors. It's all different colors. And again, I did not use the chain to start with. I used a magic ring, so I was able to cinch it nice and tight. And this was Yarn Bee Sugar Wheel Cotton that I got last summer at the Hobby Lobby big sale that they do. We don't have a Hobby Lobby close by, so I don't go to Hobby Lobby much. That was the one and only time I've ever been. But they were 62 cents each. And I used an entire ball to make this one. I did use a bit smaller hook size as well. I think I used a 5 or a 4.5. I used what was recommended, 4.5. So I used a bit smaller of a hook and the magic ring, but otherwise the pattern was pretty much the same. So this was 117 yards. A little bit more yardage, but not much. Anyway, they're both going to be good for what I want them to be used for. Still a little shower loofah. But this one, the colors made me think of my sister Jen. So I think it might go live with her. This one she can have too if she wants it. Because she would like those colors too. But yeah, super easy summer project. I loved making them. I've actually got the next ball of cotton yarn all ready to make another one. Kind of funny because I don't even use liquid soap. I use bar soap, so I don't even know if I'll use these, but they're fun to make and they make really good gifts. And you can make a bunch now, and then at Christmas time, you know, with a pretty bottle from like Bath and Body Works or something of some body soap with a handmade loofah, that would make a really nice gift for someone. So anyway, I guess I'm getting ready for Christmas already. What are you guys working on? What do you like to work on in the summertime when it's really hot? Or do you stop crocheting altogether? I know some people do. I used to stop crocheting altogether and played my ukulele on the back porch instead. And I still do that a little bit. But I enjoy crocheting. It mellows me out. It chills me out. It's my happy place. It takes me to my Zen place. It's very meditative. Do you ever use crochet meditatively? Like just to calm yourself down or just to relax? That's another good thing with the little loofah project is it's pretty mindless. You basically make 25 single crochets into a magic ring, and then in every one of those stitches you put 3 double crochets, and then you join that together with a slip stitch, and then the next round is the same thing, 3 double crochets into each stitch. I think by the end you've got like 300 stitches or 500 stitches, I don't know, a lot of stitches. But it's really easy and mindless and perfect for summer. So that's all I've got. Saturday Yarn Hookers is over at my channel at the Whippy Chick, and this week we are talking about red, white, and blue. I think my camera's bumping around in the breeze. Yeah, red, white, and blue, because here in the US it is almost Independence Day, the 4th of July. And so, yeah, we're doing all red and white and blue projects. And then we're going on vacation. The Yarn Hookers are going to take a couple weeks off, get a little R&R, come back really strong for season 2 of Yarn Hookers. So that is super exciting. We're all excited about that. We've got some plans of some things we're going to do with our next season. And so thankful to you guys for checking us out every Saturday. We really enjoy it, and we're always happy to see you and to chat with you and hopefully bring you some some good information that is useful and fun at the same time. And guests. We've been having more guests, and I think that's going to continue into season 2 as well. So I'm not going to say too much because I don't have my two besties here with me to chat about it. But yeah, definitely looking forward to a little R&R and then coming back strong and excited about season 2. I think that's it. I'm gonna let you go here. I will, I think, angle my camera that way because it is a beautiful green day looking out onto the Green River, and I think you would enjoy it too. Okay. Take care, everybody. I hope you're having a great, great day, and don't forget to look for the beauty in it because it's out there. You just have to look for it. Okay, bye-bye.